Hello and welcome to a video tutorial showing you how to embed YouTube videos inside your Google Slide presentations. My name is Tyler Osborne. Now, one of my biggest pet peeves at professional development is when somebody has a little link right here that they click to and it takes them outside their presentation, disrupts the flow, and they have to open up YouTube. And YouTube can be a pretty slow website to load sometimes. It's so much better if you can put the video right inside your Google Slide presentation. So to do that is super easy. What you need to do is have a Google Slide presentation open and then go to the Insert menu and then down to Video. Now, you can search for a video if you don't have what you're looking for. So if you're not really aware of what's there, you could type in your topic, like glaciers, and you could get all these different videos and you could try them out. Or if you have the exact video that you're looking for already, the better one is to go by URL. So to do this, you need to have two windows open or two tabs open, and the other one should be YouTube. So I already have this video that I want open up in YouTube, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to the share button, and I'm going to take this URL right here. Now, this is a video on glaciers by SciShow Kids. If you're not aware of SciShow Kids and you're an elementary teacher, you should totally check them out. They have amazing stuff. So I'm going to copy this link down here, and on a Mac, that's Command-C. On a Windows computer or Chromebook, that's Control-C. And then I'm going to go back to my slideshow presentation, and I'm going to do Control-V on a on a Windows or Chromebook computer, or Command-V on a Mac. And it's going to paste the video right in there. And then you can actually see a preview of the video that you want to watch with your class. So if you're not quite sure that it's the right video, you can actually watch it from right in here if you want to. Then press the Select button, and it's going to embed it into your Google Slide presentation. From here, you can drag it around, put it wherever you want on the slideshow. You can resize it, just like any other object inside of your Google Slide presentation. But you can't actually view the video from here. What you need to do is you need to press the Present button, and now the video will actually be viewable, just like that. So if you were the public speaker and you're giving your presentation, and this is actually the best way to do that, don't have a link, don't go out to YouTube. It's just really distracting. Anyways, there are a couple more things I wanted to show you, some of the video options. So right now, remember this from other videos that I've shown you, this toolbar changes depending on what you click on. If I click on the video, there's a new option right here. See that? It's video options. Let's click on that. This is where we get pretty cool. All right, so you could have this autoplay immediately when it pops into the slide. So as you're going through your slide presentation, it just automatically starts on it. You don't have to click anything. It just automatically starts to play the video. And that's the autoplay option right there. I'm going to try that. Let's say I don't want the audio. I don't need the commentary of the person. I just want to talk to the video that I'm showing here. I might mute the audio so that they can't hear the audio. And let's say I only want to show a 20-second clip of this video, and I want it to start at second 45. Oh, I got to type this in properly. 00 for minutes and 45. And I want it to end at 1 minute, and let's do 15 seconds. We're going to show 30 seconds of this. So I could show only these that section of the video. I don't have to show the whole thing. Press Enter on that. You're going to press X, and let's see what happens now when we present this. I'm going to try at the start of my presentation here. So this is the start of my slideshow presentation. I'm going through the second one, and it should automatically start playing with no audio at the 45-second mark. There it goes. So this is a great way to really get down to the content that you want to find. It makes you look so much more professional as a presenter by not having to click and try and find that little 20-second clip that you're looking for. By not taking you outside of your presentation, it keeps you directly inside your slideshow presentation. And the best part is that when you fool around with those settings, it also cancels the ads. There's no ads on this presentation, so you don't have to worry about anything unsavory coming up. All right. That's everything that you need to know in order to embed YouTube videos in your Google Slide presentation. If you like this video, please consider leaving me some feedback on my Google Forms on my website, or better yet, you can leave a comment in the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.